Hi guys, Andy here. Let's do a quick update on the DAX. I was looking at my charts and I wanted to share some insights with you. For the record, today is Wednesday, November 8th. Time is around 6 p.m. GMT. So remember from my yesterday's analysis, we are looking here at this structure as an impulse. The expectation is that this will be an impulse, be it as a wave A. If we have 5 waves down from the high here, then we have our wave A in the higher degree finished, and then we could be working on a wave B unfolding as an A, B, C. Or secondly, we still might be in the WXY structure acting in 3, but then also from here, this can be an impulse as an expanded flat. Then from this wave W low, we can have an A, B, C. So now the wave C up as an impulse. If you want to have more details on this, please have a look at my yesterday's analysis. But so for now, I would like to focus here on this structure. I told you we were expecting still a fifth wave here. And so today we had this rally taking out the wave 3 right here. But I would be careful with the interpretation of this as our fifth wave, or at least I will not use this high here as a stop loss level for now, because if we have a closer look, like this here, especially in the 15 minutes, this looks more like a wave A to me. So when some kind of impulse or leading diagonal down, actually in 5 waves and not in 3. So it could be that we are doing here on the lower time frame an expanded flat structure, that the wave 4 is not over yet. So it could be that we are doing something like I can remove this area, something like this actually, so that we here have our wave 3, and so we could have had the wave 4 right here, and so that this is the fifth wave, or we are working on the fifth wave, could be. But I also want to share with you the insight that we that they are setting here a trap for us. And what could happen is that this is the wave A, this is the wave B up in 3, 1, 2, 3, that we now come down again as an impulse, as a wave C, and then from here we start a new impulse as a wave 5. So this could be a potential trap that I want to share with you. But if everything would go according to plan, then this can indeed be the fifth wave. So this here, wave 4, and then a fifth wave from here. But just if you see later today or tomorrow this kind of move, so first down and then aggressively back up, then at least you know what it is. Then we have here an expanded flat structure. So okay, quick update on the DAX. If you enjoyed this analysis, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you back in one of my later videos of the DAX. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.